So I'm here at Rapido headquarters, and I've got our F-30 flat cars, the MOW and the company service cars in front of me here. And you may wonder why I'm showing these off now for an unboxing when we released these like 8 months ago. But we actually have a new release that is announced and has a final order deadline of January 15th. So we figured we probably should show you these cars in a proper unboxing now. We've got the camp cars. These were actually built by Conrail and eventually went to the Norfolk Southern. These are based off of the original Pennsylvania Railroad F-30 style cast frame flat cars that were built kind of in the middle of the 20th century. What happened was Conrail needed some more MOW camp equipment, and they converted these flats into a variety of different camp cars for MOW service. So of course, like our regular F-30 flat cars, these have a die-cast chassis, metal wheels. They have the etched grate work or walkway grates on the ends for the crews. And we have 4 different camp bodies. We have either the bunk, the office, the dining car, or the kitchen car. And we have them in sets of 3. And you also get the sleeping cars you can buy individually as well. I think there's 6 numbers of those. And on top of that, we've got the original returning Conrail and Norfolk Southern road names. This new run also includes CP Rail and Canadian National, as they were very similar cars were run by those 2 railroads for a very, very long time. Now on top of that, we also have some other cars. Actually, before I do that, let me unbox this car. I'll show you what we get here. And we'll have a look at the tie cars in just a sec. Very straightforward. We've got our box. You've got your instructions here, or your kind of overview of the camp cars. Instructions with exploded parts diagram. Of course, we've got some stickers. These were the first run stickers, but I'm sure we'll get some new ones for the new release. And of course, take the lid off the packaging there. You've got the flat and the camp trailer section, and that just pops right on top there. This is actually the later Norfolk Southern. It's got the cool safety, quality, and productivity logo or placard on the side of the car. Very neat. So anyways, that is just a quick unboxing of those. Of course, as I was getting into a second ago, we also have the tie flats. These were former Pennsylvania Railroad and TTX F-30 flats. In the late 80s, as Trailer Train was retiring all of these, and again, these very long careers, Burlington Northern picked a lot of them up and used them or modified them for concrete tie service. This particular one is BN. BNSF kept these cars in service, and I believe some of them are still in service with BNSF today. So we've got the separate tie loads. These are the concrete loads. You can take them off there, either run the cars loaded or unloaded. So you've got the nice deck work there with all of the proper brackets and whatnot. Again, you've got the same underbody detailing. These actually have the roller bearing trucks as opposed to the plain bearings that come on the very early F-30 flats that we did in previous releases. We're also doing a variety of other railroads that weren't included in the first release. Now on top of that as well, we have the continuously welded rail cars. Now we don't have those tooled quite yet, but we're expecting first samples to arrive, I believe, in January, hopefully in time for the Springfield train show. And these have the kind of the finger racks where all of the welded rail would be kind of carried on the F-30 flats. And we have several different paint schemes available for those as well. We will be closing the books again on January 15th. That's January 15th, 2026. And we'll get those into production for delivery later next year. So that's just a quick overview of all our MOW flats and company service cars. We will see you again next year when these ship. Bye now.
Lunatics!